Welcome to Hausa Kids TV. Today we're learning colors. One color, launi. Many colors, launuka. Launuka. White, fari. White, fari. Black, baki. Black, baki. Red, ja. Red, ja. Blue, shuɗi. Blue, shuɗi. Yellow, rawaya. Yellow, rawaya. Green, kore. Green, kore. Pink, ruwan hoda. Pink, ruwan hoda. Brown, ruwan ƙasa. Brown, ruwan ƙasa. Orange, ruwan lemu. Orange, ruwan lemu. Gray, ruwan toka. Gray, ruwan toka. Now how many colors can you remember? White, fari. Black, baki. Red, ja. Blue, shuɗi. Yellow, rawaya. Green, kore. Pink, ruwan hoda. Brown, ruwan ƙasa. Orange, ruwan lemu. Gray, ruwan toka. What other things do you want to learn in Hausa? Support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your friends. Bye!